Hi guys, welcome back to Factic. I'm Barry Alex, and today I am going to show you the best 1440p graphics cards of 2024. Having the best 1440p graphics card is essential if you're hoping to play the latest PC games at QHD. As any gamer will tell you, acquiring the best graphics card you can afford is going to be the biggest performance boost for your gaming PC, and 1440p graphics cards offer users an attractive balance between performance and cost, sitting comfortably in the mid-range of available options. Here are some best picks of 2024 we've tested. If you're interested in any of these GPUs, the link are in the description below. Let's jump into the video. Number 5. The Intel Arc A770 has quickly made a name for itself as a formidable contender in the PC gaming arena, particularly for 1440p gaming. As Intel's first flagship discrete graphics card, the A770 breaks into the traditionally AMD and NVIDIA-dominated market with impressive capabilities and competitive pricing, providing a welcome alternative for gamers. Compared to the earlier Intel Arc A750, which struggled with driver issues, the A770 demonstrates marked improvements in stability, compatibility, and performance. Intel's efforts to enhance the Arc series are evident, and the A770's performance trajectory suggests promising developments ahead. While it may not outperform the top mid-range AMD cards, the A770 holds its ground admirably close to the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 Ti, especially in ray tracing and hardware upscaling. This capability extends to 4K gaming, where it achieves respectable frame rates with the potential for smoother gameplay through setting adjustments. However, it's at the 1440p resolution where the A770 truly excels, providing solid performance that surpasses many expectations for a card at this price point. Despite some ongoing challenges with optimization for older DirectX 9 and 10 titles, Intel is actively addressing these issues, reinforcing its commitment to improving performance across a wider range of games. The Intel Arc A770 stands out not just for its performance, but also for its value, offering budget-conscious gamers a robust option for enhancing their 1440p gaming experience. Number 4. The AMD Radeon RX 6800 marks a significant return for AMD to the high-end graphics card market, challenging NVIDIA's dominance. Featuring AMD's RDNA 2 architecture, this GPU boasts impressive specifications, including 3,840 stream processors and a game clock of 1,815 MHz, with a boost clock up to 2,105 MHz. This translates into excellent 4K gaming performance that competes well with NVIDIA's RTX 3070. The RX 6800 includes 16 GB of GDDR6 memory on a 256-bit bus, enhanced by AMD's innovative Infinity Cache, which significantly increases bandwidth efficiency and reduces power consumption. Ray tracing capabilities are a notable addition, with 60 ray accelerators integrated within the GPU's compute units. However, the performance in ray trace games is still behind NVIDIA's RTX 3070, especially since AMD lacks a counterpart to NVIDIA's DLSS, deep learning supersampling. Despite this, the RX 6800 offers other compelling features, such as smart access memory, which can enhance performance by allowing Ryzen 5000 series CPUs to access the GPU's full memory. Additionally, the GPU runs relatively cool, thanks to an effective new cooler design, maintaining temperatures around 75 degrees Celsius under load. Overall, the AMD Radeon RX 6800 delivers robust performance and brings AMD closer to competing with NVIDIA at the high end. While it lacks some of NVIDIA's advanced features like DLSS and tensor cores, its strong performance, efficient power usage, and additional features like Fidelity FX and Smart Access Memory make it a compelling choice for gamers looking for high-end performance from Team Red. Number 3. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 Ti offers remarkable performance for its price, rivaling the RTX 2080 Super and making it an excellent choice for gamers. Built on the Ampere architecture, it features 4,864 CUDA cores, 8 GB of GDDR6 memory, and 38 streaming multiprocessors. This configuration provides outstanding 1080p and 1440p gaming performance, with the capability to handle ray tracing efficiently thanks to its third-generation RT cores and tensor cores. The GPU maintains cool temperatures under load, peaking at 72 degrees Celsius, and includes NVIDIA's new 12-pin power connector, which can be slightly inconvenient for cable management. The RTX 3060 Ti shines in 1440p gaming, often matching or exceeding the performance of the more expensive RTX 2080 Super. Its real strength lies in the integration of NVIDIA's DLSS technology, which enhances performance in ray-traced games by upscaling lower-resolution images. Additionally, the card supports NVIDIA Reflex for reduced latency, RTX I/O for faster data loading, and NVIDIA Broadcast for improved streaming and video conferencing. Despite its solid entry-level 4K performance, the 3060 Ti is best suited for those focusing on high-quality 1080p and 1440p gaming, making it an exceptional mid-range GPU choice. Number 2. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 Super is a significant upgrade from its predecessor, delivering exceptional performance that firmly establishes it as a top contender in the mid-range GPU market. With a substantial increase in streaming multiprocessors and a slightly faster base clock speed, this card offers notable improvements in processing power. It boasts 7,168 CUDA cores, 56 ray tracing cores, and 224 tensor cores, which collectively enhance its computational capabilities. The RTX 4070 Super's design is also a standout feature, sporting an all-black finish that combines elegance with functionality, making it a visually appealing addition to any gaming setup. Despite its strengths, the RTX 4070 Super is not without its drawbacks. The card is still limited to 12 GB of GDDR6X VRAM, which hinders its performance at 4K resolutions, particularly in memory-intensive games. Additionally, while it excels in ray tracing and content creation tasks, it does not always outperform its direct competitor, AMD's Radeon RX 7800 XT, in traditional rasterized gaming. The RTX 4070 Super's higher power draw also requires a robust cooling solution and potentially more complex cable management, given the need for a 16-pin power connector. Overall, the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 Super represents a compelling choice for gamers and creators who prioritize performance and future-proofing for 1440p gaming. Its advanced features, including DLSS 3 with frame generation and NVIDIA Reflex, ensure smooth gameplay and enhanced responsiveness. However, its higher price point and limited VRAM capacity may give some buyers pause, especially when considering the more affordable Radeon RX 7800 XT, which offers competitive performance in non-ray-traced gaming scenarios. Nonetheless, the RTX 4070 Super's impressive specs and sleek design make it a noteworthy option in the current GPU landscape. Number 1. The AMD Radeon RX 7900 GRE marks a significant shift in the mid-range GPU market, offering remarkable performance that rivals NVIDIA's top mid-range offerings. With its competitive pricing, the RX 7900 GRE presents a compelling option for gamers seeking entry-level 4K gaming experiences. Equipped with 16 GB of VRAM, this GPU ensures smooth performance even in demanding gaming scenarios, making it a standout choice for those prioritizing high-resolution gaming. Although initially exclusive to the Chinese market, the global release of the RX 7900 GRE brings its exceptional performance to a broader audience. Benchmarking data accumulated since its original launch underscores its prowess, positioning it as one of the best mid-range GPUs available. In synthetic benchmarks, the RX 7900 GRE excels in rasterization tasks, showcasing its superior gaming performance compared to its competitors. Moreover, its performance in gaming, particularly at 1080p and 1440p resolutions, surpasses expectations, with only minor compromises in ray tracing capabilities compared to NVIDIA's offerings. While the RX 7900 GRE may fall short in certain creative applications heavily reliant on NVIDIA's CUDA technology, its overall performance dominance in the mid-range segment is undeniable. With robust cooling solutions and a competitive price point, this GPU emerges as the top choice for gamers seeking exceptional value without compromising on performance. Overall, the AMD Radeon RX 7900 GRE establishes itself as the premier mid-range graphics card, offering unparalleled gaming experiences and solidifying its position as the go-to option in its price range. So these are the 5 best 1440p GPUs 2024 that we've tested. If you found this video useful, then like the video and also hit that subscribe button, and if you have any question or suggestion for our next review, feel free to comment below. Until then, goodbye and take care.